Good morning. Hello, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
We are fine.
Thank you. The topic of today, let's Alkenes. Before we begin our lessons, let's identify our knowledge. Answer the frontal survey, the questions, answer in English. First questions. What is studying organic chemistry? Ayjan.
Organic chemistry is a chemistry subdiscipline for the scientific study of properties, reaction and reaction, organic compound and organic material study of determine chemical composition and the formula, study of properties including physical and chemical properties, and the evaluation chemical reactive to understand for behavior.
Ayjan, yes, very good. Very good. What are homology and isomers? Dinara.
Homologous inorganic compounds. A homologous series is a series of can be some atoms and a functional group and similar chemical properties.
Yes.
This can be of carbon chain. Isomerism in chemistry, isomerization is a process by some atoms and one molecule, and exactly has a different arrangement. Example A, B, C, B, A, C reactions.
Very good. Yes, isomer structural and optical. Yes. What is a chemical bond? What is a chemical bond? Gauhar.
A chemical bond is lasting with the reaction between atoms, ions, and molecules. A chemical bond divided to three types: covalent bond, ionic bond, and metallic bond.
Metallic bond, covalent bond.
And
Yes.
ionic bond.
Very good. Yes. Thank you. Who is the author of the theory of the chemical structure of organic compounds? Kamshad.
In the chemistry of chemical structure is the study of the structure which describes all its characteristics, but it is a theory of the organic structure which developed by the Russian chemist Butler.
Yes, very good. Thank you. What organic substances are called hydrocarbons? Saida.
In organic chemistry, hydrocarbons is an organic compounds consisting entirely of hydrogen and carbon. Organic compounds are alkenes, dienes, and aromatic carbons.
Yes, aromatic hydrocarbons. Yeah? Cyclic hydrocarbons. Yes, very good. Thank you for your responses. As I understand it, you have learned the all things. The topic of today, the alkenes. Alkenes in the nomenclature naming and isomers and chemical and physical proteins. Nomenclature alkenes, alkane, ethane, propane, butane, 2-butane, ethylene, propylene. Yes. Nomenclature as side groups: ethynyl, propenyl, 1-methyl ethylene, isopropenyl, methylene. IPAC nomenclature of branched alkenes. IPAC nomenclature of branched alkenes. Step 1. Name the longest carbon chain. Should contain a double bond. Double bond 2. Double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane. Pentane. Step 2. Number the chain from the double bond. 2 pentane, double bond, 2 carbons. Yes? Step 3. Give the location of H subunit and cis trans orientation. Trans for methyl, 2 pentane. For methyl, 2 bond, yes, pentane. Structural isomers. Structural isomers, cis trans isomers. Cis isomers, 2 butane. 2 butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 butanes. Double bonds, 2 carbons. Trans, 2 butane. Methyl, trans. Cis, blind. Structural isomers, cis or trans. Structural isomers, cis or trans. Next, cis, 3, 4, dimethyl, 2 pentane. 2 carbons. Yes, 2 carbons. Next, the system. Engagement, the Susamer isomers. Engagement and the Susamer isomers and structural isomers. If groups on higher purity are on the same side, the configuration is the German Susamer. If groups of higher purity are of opposite sides, the configuration is German engagement isomers. The Susamer isomers higher, engagement isomers opposite. Yes?
Yes.
Next, physical properties. Density. Alkenes have densities considerably less than 1 grams. To solubility, they are immiscible with water but easily dissolve in alcohols and acids. Physical state: ethane, propane, and butane exist as colorless gases. Ethane, propane, and butane and colorless gases. Yes?
Yes.
Membranes of the 5 or more carbons, 5 more carbons, such pentane, hexane, and heptane are liquid. Members of the 15 carbons of more are solids. Yes? Yes. Melting and boiling points. Melting points of alkenes depends on the packaging of the molecules. Alkenes have similar melting points to that of alkenes. However, in cis isomers molecules, packaged in our binding chair 3 or 4 will display a lot of melting points to that of the trans isomers. Compound ethane, propane, butane, 1 pentane, trans 2 pentane, cis 2 pentane, 1 heptane. Melting points, methods for producing alkenes. Synthesis reactions. 1. Hydrogens of alkenes. Hydrogens of alkenes catalyzes platinum. Hydrogens, 2 alkenes, butane, 2 butane, alkanes, butane. The P2 catalyst, nickel boron result. In some aversions of one equivalent of hydrogen to triple bond. Yes? Dehydrogen galagenization. Dehydrogen galagenization. Brom, 2 brom, butan. 2 brom, butan. Dehydrogen galagenizations. Butane, 2 butane. Yes? Cis and or trans. Trans butane. 2 trans 2 butane. 3 dehydrogens of alcohols. Alcohols, nomenclature alcohols. Questions. Name.
2-methyl,
2 alcohols, propan. 2 methyl, propanol, 2. Yes? Butane. Propane, 2 methyl, propane, 1 propane. Yes? Thermal cracking. The thermal cracking, butane, cracking head catalyst, and ethylene, point ethane. Ethylene, point ethane. Dehydrogenizations of alkenes. The hydrogenizations of alkenes catalyzed means alkynes. Wetting reactions as a point alkenes, yes? Chemical properties. 1 hydrogenations, trans to butane, hydrogenization, catalytic, palladium, platinum, or methane. Yes? Butane. Product, butane. Yes? 2 galagenization in organic solvents. Yeah? Galagenization, butane, ethane, galagenization, brom, or chloride, or iodide, bromide can add to alkenes to form dehalkenes. 2 brom, ethane. 2 brom, ethane. Mechanism reactions, ethylene, brom, dibrom, carbons, propane, 1, 2 dibrom, ethane. 3 galagenization in water. The measurement of an alkane with brom or chlor in water forms an halogen. Halogen and compound containing alcohols and explore adjective carbons. Propane, chloride, water. 1 chlor, 2 propanol. 1 chlor, 2 propanol. Yes? Hydrogen galagenization. Markovnikov's product. Hydrogen halides can add to alkenes form haloalkenes. Ethylene, examples. Ethylene, Ashық, bromide, bromide, ethane. Bromide, ethane. Chloride, ash chloride, ethane. This propane, 1, 2, 3. Yes? 2 chloride, propane. 2 2-chloride propane. Hydrohalogenization only PRAMAT, anti-Markovnikov's product. Propane, anti-Markovnikov's product, Markovnikov's product. Markovnikov's product, 2-bromopropane, 2-bromopropane, 2-bromine, anti-Markovnikov's product, 1-brompropane, 1-brompropane. Yes?
Yes.
Mechanism Markovnikov's anti-Markovnikov's product, ROR, photochemical reactions of propane, 1-propane, propionization steps. We complete our lecture today.
Yes.
To take into account your comments and suggestions, please write a review about the lecture and attach into the tray. Yes? Kamshar, Malika, the try comments.